if you're choosing an AI food scanner. Two popular options are Cal AI and Yazio. One focuses on automation with AI scanning, while the other is a more traditional but polished nutrition tracker. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Cal AI is built around speed and convenience. You simply take a photo of your food, and the app uses AI to estimate calories and macros instantly. No manual input needed. It's gone viral for the snap and log workflow and has reached millions of downloads very quickly. The biggest advantage is how effortless it feels. Just point your camera and you're done. But there's a trade-off. Because it relies on image recognition, accuracy can vary, especially with hidden ingredients like oils or sauces, which the AI can miss. Yazio takes a more traditional approach. Instead of relying purely on AI scanning, it uses a large verified food database where you log meals manually or via barcode scanning. This makes it more consistent and reliable for tracking calories and macros over time. It also includes structured plans, fasting tracking, and detailed nutrition insights, which makes it feel more like a complete health app rather than just a scanner. The downside is that it takes more effort. You have to log your meals instead of just snapping a photo. So the real difference is this. Cal AI is built for speed and automation, while Yazio is built for accuracy and long-term tracking. Choose Cal AI if you want the fastest, easiest way to track meals with minimal effort, and like the idea of AI doing everything for you. Choose Yazio if you care about accuracy, structured tracking, and building consistent long-term habits. Bottom line, Cal AI is better for convenience and quick logging, while Yazio is better for accuracy and serious nutrition tracking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.